Hi friends, today I'm restocking my cleaning cupboards. I like to clean and do my laundry with non-toxic homemade products that are really easy to make. So I thought I'd take you along with me today and just show you a few of the things I like to make and just how easy it is to do. The first thing I'm making here is laundry detergent, and I like to use French black soap for this because it stays liquid when it's been mixed with the water and the bicarbonate of soda and the washing soda. So I've put 50 milliliters of French black soap in a 1 litre bottle, and I'm filling up the rest with warm water. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda and 1 tablespoon of washing soda, and that will just help the French black soap to really have a powerful washing action. I'll put the link to this recipe in the description box below. It's one I use and make very often because I find that it's just as effective, if not more effective, than shop bought laundry detergent. Now the smell isn't amazing, which is why I like to make fabric softener, which I'll show you in just a little while, and that helps the clothes to be nicely perfumed when they come out of the wash. Just shake it up before using and you're ready to go. There we are, a really easy laundry detergent. Now the next thing I'm making is that fabric softener I was telling you about, and this is just basically diluted vinegar with a few drops of essential oil. I use about 300 milliliters of white vinegar, and I top up that 1 litre bottle with water, and then I'll just add about 30 or so drops of lavender essential oil. You can use different essential oils for this, but you do need to be careful that you don't choose one that will stain your clothes. For example, lemon essential oil is slightly yellow, so that may very well stain your clothes if you use it as a fabric softener. I just really love the smell that this lavender essential oil gives to the clothes, so this is what I use every time. And that's all there is to it, a really easy and extremely cheap fabric softener that won't damage your clothes and that leaves them smelling fresh and perfumed. Now we're on to a new recipe on the blog, which is my all-purpose cleaner. For this, you just need 200 milliliters of vinegar. Fill up that 500 milliliter bottle with water and then add some essential oil. So over on the blog, I've given a few different options that you can use for essential oils, but I like to use mint and lemon. I just love those fresh smells, and the lemon really helps to add extra cleaning power, especially on grease in the kitchen. Again, it's so easy and so quick. You just add it all to a spray bottle, shake it up, and you're ready to go. In fact, the most difficult thing about this recipe is apparently putting the spray back into the bottle. I did get there in the end. I did want to show you how I made this dishwasher powder, which you can see on the table with the other things I made, but unfortunately my camera stopped working and I don't have any footage of what I made, but I can tell you that in there is citric acid, salt, sodium percarbonate and washing soda, and a little bit of lemon essential oil too. And this really works well in the dishwasher. In our house, the dishwasher runs usually at least twice a day. There are 6 of us, and we cook and eat from home at most meals. So it is on pretty much all the time, and the price of dishwasher tablets is so extortionate that I was really happy to have found this solution that is just really, really cheap and works well. I'm just doing some tidying up and some cleaning and sorting out in the kitchen before the children come home from school. I like to have the place as clean and tidy as I can before they get home because, well, for a start, they'll come in and they'll usually just throw their stuff all over the place. So if it's already untidy, then that's going to be just unmanageable. But also, they're so tired when they get in from school. They've been stimulated all day. And I just think having a calm, peaceful, clean and tidy environment really helps them to wind down when they get in from school. I always like to dry my sink just because we have hard water here, so if I leave water drops to dry on the metal, then that immediately looks a mess. I've been to get the children from school, and I'm just going to put the vacuum around quickly in the living room because I didn't get a chance to do it before. This is a little trick that I learned from somebody on Instagram. If you put a few drops of essential oil on a cotton pad and vacuum that cotton pad up, it will perfume your whole room while you're vacuuming. Give it a go, it's really good. I like doing this. It just made the whole house smell of patchouli. It was really nice. As you can probably tell by now, I really like essential oils. So I'm just putting some in a diffuser just to add to that calm environment that I'm trying to create. In here I've got lavender, patchouli, and a little bit of orange, and it smells wonderful. I love creating a cozy environment at home. I love using lights and lamps and smells. I love feeding my family delicious cozy food. But I also need to have a rest from time to time, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to get a cup of hot tea and sit down and read my book with my little boy running around next to me. I hope you're getting some cozy moments too this autumn. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye!